the call. Think about it, ring won't tell you what I saw. When you break it off, you'll see who had it all. You had it all.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm just starting my day with a coffee. Wow, the word itself gives a lot of energy, guys. So here my coffee is almost getting ready, and only thing I have to stir it. And here Nescafe Classic. I'm just preparing. I just came here to say good morning to Max, and Max also enjoying the morning playing with my son. In the beginning days, Max used to be very close to me. Nowadays, he wants my son to play, and he really enjoys his company. Wow, I know very few rangolis, guys. In that, I just draw without dots, and it's looking really great. Today we just decided to spend some time with Max and few clips. It was really quite interesting of Max. So this is awesome. Wow, how cute a Max is, no guys? Now I'm just going to water the plants. So here look at the excitement of the Max. Bye bye Max. These are green chili plants, guys. I'm just watering it because it's been 2-3 days. Watering the plants, really we feel a peace of mind, guys. And while watering, you have to see the smile in the plants. When I was watering, my son saw me and he also came to water the plants because he loved to do it. I was just teaching him how to water the plants. He really loved to water the plants, guys. Most of the kids really love to play in the water. Same way, even my son really loved to play in the water. At the same time, he loved to water the plants. Who really love the plants, they can really understand them well. You can really see the smile now. Recently, I just fertilized all these plants. Now we need to water them on time. I just made video on when I was fertilizing these plants also, guys. So that video also, it will be quite interesting. Who are really interested, please go ahead and watch it, guys. This is moringa tree and we just fertilized recently, just watering it. In many videos who are watching me from the day one, they might know about this moringa tree, the benefits, the recipes, everything. It's there in our channel, guys. Who are really interested, please go ahead and check it out. It's time to give a bath to our Max. and it's done, guys. And you saw no how he was playing with the water. He just want to catch the water. Is it possible? He was just having fun with the water. Even I really had fun with him. This video it is gonna come tomorrow. We just been out for a dinner on an occasion. Why we have been there, how we enjoyed, you guys have to know, means you guys have to subscribe our channel. That's all for today's one. Thanks for being with me again. Let's catch up with a new vlog again tomorrow. Till then, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is VRK Homemaker.